Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Patreon app and signing in. Make sure your profile photo and bio are concise so patrons instantly know what you offer. Next, set one clear financial goal and design a single entry tier. This reduces friction and helps early conversion. Once done, connect your payout method, Stripe or PayPal, and verify identity so you can receive funds. These steps get you from zero to a functioning creator page quickly, and they matter because trust and clarity drive first pledges. You now build the membership experience by creating 2 to 3 tiers that scale value. Keep names simple and rewards tangible so patrons understand why to upgrade. Next, craft your first patron-only post. Include media, a pinned welcome, and a clear delivery cadence. Consistency retains patrons. Once done, enable the patron-only feed and set gating so only supporters see exclusive content. This structure reduces churn and makes it obvious how benefits unlock, which increases perceived value. You finish by publishing a launch post that explains tiers and how patrons will be served. Immediately share it to your linked social accounts and in a short email to close contacts. Make sure you send a welcome message to new patrons and pin onboarding content so they feel valued and informed. If payments fail, check payout settings, confirm identity verification, and ask patrons to retry cards. Most issues are verification-related. Finally, monitor analytics weekly to refine messaging and improve conversion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.